guys, what's up? Here we are again. Ayan. So I will show you guys here in the Hinunangan. They have a harvester, which is, I know you just hear this one in Japan, but well, actually guys, we have already here in Hinunangan, Southern Leyte, here in the Philippines in a way. And you know what is harvester is? Harvester is, which is that's a machine or truck that will gonna harvest to your rice field. So you don't need to be sa Bisaya, mano-mano, or yung mag-ano pa ng mga tao, yung mag-utos, ganon. So, you know, so we will go there. We just walk right now with my nephew and niece, Bibi Joy Joy. So, see you there, guys. And I'll just show you. Hey guys, what's up guys? So, we are here right now, as you can see. We are here right now in a rice field near in our house, because I will show you guys, it's not only in the Japan they have a harvester. I will show you how they harvest here in the Philippines or Hinunangan. This is a new truck or machine that it takes easy to harvest the rice, guys. So I think this kind of harvester, you are already heard this or you already saw it in Facebook. So harvester means it's the truck harvester. It means that that's the truck will harvest to your rice field, and it's really thick and easy. And that truck also they will use that one to carry for harvester truck. But anyway, I will show you how it looks or how it works. So that's harvester look like, guys. And you know what, I'll show you how they gonna work. So now look, it's very easy, it's very thick and easy, guys, and very convenient. Look, it's from Japan, and look how they work, guys. Look, magpupun. Dali. Ha?
Naman ko yung babay man.
Kasi babay. Waman. So, look guys, how it's look like. Oh my god, I'm here guys. I'll show you This is the rice field. Look. And you can see that one, the truck. See? So you don't need more people. And it's really thick and easy, guys. Convenient and faster, you know? Like, unlike the other before, when you are asking to harvest the rice field, it takes time. It takes more time, you know. So how they look like, I know guys, you already saw this in Facebook, I think. But right now we are lucky here in Hinunangan, Southern Leyte, and especially not here in Southern Leyte, because I think whole Philippines they have already like this. So see, just enjoy guys how they look like. Yan, that's the way. They're just like a truck, guys, and keep going, you know. Look, and of course they have a driver as well, and then they have two helpers, because the two helpers will kinda hold the sacks, guys. Actually, see, as you can see that one, guys. Look how it looks like. And we're so lucky, guys. They're so lucky right now because it's a sunny day. Because if it's rainy days, guys, oh, maybe it's slippery. It's slippery, guys. Look. So yeah. watching of them. Actually, I will not go here, but because of them, because they want to watch the harvester, so it's chance to do vlog. So I want to say thank you guys that you watch my videos, and please before you we will end this video, please do subscribe and share also to your friends, and please do click also the notification bell as well para sa susunod na video, manu-notify po kayo. Keep safe! This is Marge Life TV signing off!